Hello and welcome to this tour today of number 14 Lindberg Close here in Woodley. So what we have here is one of the Bryant built Victoria style detached. Beautiful inside, beautiful garden and a really nice location. Lindberg Way, just for those that don't know, generally it's considered to be the best road on the development here. Large detached houses and a really pleasant location. I'm just going to start by showing you the location actually. If we just look down the road slightly, you'll see other similar detached houses. This is the way into Lindberg. The trees in the distance you can see beyond there is the nature reserve, Aldermore's Nature Reserve. And then just showing you the actual cul-de-sac that we're in. Let's just spin round and show you. This is the end of the cul-de-sac. As you can see, very nice detached houses, a really nice location. So my name is Gary, obviously from White Knights. If you've got any questions, then please do type away if you're watching this live. If you're watching the recording that I'm going to be making, that's going to be on the advert on Rightmove later on today. If you're watching that recording, obviously you can't ask any questions, but certainly whilst we're doing this live, type away, ask me any question and I'll answer it as best as I can. Also, if you want to take a look at this house at any point and make a physical viewing, click on the button in the corner of your screen that says request a private inspection, and that will send me an email and telling me that you want to have a look at it. I'll give you a call and then we'll book you in to actually take a look. So let's now focus on the property itself. So as you can see, big driveway, parking for probably 6 cars, I would say. Very nice landscaped front garden surrounded by hedging, as you can see. Really creates a very nice frontage. Bay window, there's the entrance. The garage here is half the size approx to what it usually is, because they've actually converted part of it to make a bigger dining family room. There's a side gate there leading to the rear garden. So let's go under this rather nice canopy porch and let's take a look inside. So 4 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms, the 2 reception rooms downstairs and the kitchen plus utility. So first of all, let me just step to one side, turn round, give you an idea of what we have here as far as an entrance hall is concerned, because it's quite a decent size entrance hall. They've changed the doors, as you can see, to these quite modern sort of grey finish doors. That's the downstairs WC, which I'll show you in a moment. Door there to the lounge. Spinning round the staircase, it's a turning staircase leading to the first floor with a slight galleried feel as well. Understairs storage cupboard is that one there. Door to the kitchen and the utility, and then this one takes you through to the dining room. So I'm going to start by showing you the downstairs WC, just going full circle. There you go. Now you will see that the decor in this property is pretty immaculate. Very well kept house, credit to the current owners. So not only a beautiful location but a stunning house as well. This has been refitted, as you can see. Just going to point upwards because we've got a window in the downstairs WC. The windows are all UPVC double glazed sealed units. Nice sink unit there with the vanity covered under. So that's the downstairs WC. Now let's take you into the lounge first of all. Big bay window on the front, as you can see there. Dual aspect room because there is a small window on the side there as well. But quite a square room. We've got a wood flooring, as you can see, and focal point of a fireplace with a gas living flame effect fire insert. As I said, double glazed sealed unit windows. Let's just give you an idea of the view from this window because it really is quite pleasant. As you can see, hopefully you can see through the blinds there, but very private aspect. So that is the lounge. Now through the hallway, let's take you through to the sort of the dining room, and then effectively it's a sort of dining family room because this is where it's been altered. So this has been extended into the garage, so hence the garage is smaller than usual. But the table, to be fair, is in the middle of the room. There's plenty of room for that table to come this way or the other, then creating a further sort of sitting area, study area, however you want to use it. The actual sizes are on the floor plan, which is online. So that'll give you an idea of just how big this room is. Hopefully the camera does show it. And then the French doors onto the garden. The garden I'll show you at the end of the tour, but just as from here through these patio doors, that gives you an idea what sort of view you have. Very pretty garden. So that's the lounge, the dining family room, now into the kitchen. So this has been refitted. Integrated appliances, lots of units, good work surface space as well. So let's just step to one side, and I'm just going to show you the kitchen from the left here. So you've got drawer units, built-in oven, gas hob. There's the hood above, high level units there again. Work surface space, there's an integrated dishwasher just there. There's the sink, which obviously with the window behind, you've got this lovely view of the garden, very private view. More work surface, more high level units, and an integrated fridge freezer just there. And then in the corner, archway taking you into the utility room. Just point out again the flooring in here as well. This flooring flows through into the utility room. So, and the utility room actually has the same units as in the kitchen. So it all matches nicely. And there's the washing machine plumbing just under the sink there. And a door which takes you to the side access. So that gives you, let me just show you one more view of the kitchen from here. As you can see, very nicely fitted with integrated appliances. So now let's take you upstairs and show you what we have. 4 bedrooms with an ensuite to the master. So with the turning staircase, it means that you've got this lovely feeling of space. Let me just come up on the landing, and we're going to step to one side and just point backwards to the stairs. There's the stairs coming up, and you have this area here, which just makes it feel lovely and roomy. On the landing, door here is the airing cupboard, and a door in front of us there takes you to the main bedroom. So this is effectively above the lounge, so it's the front of the house. As you can see straight away, we've got built-in wardrobes all along one wall. Worth pointing out as well, air conditioning unit in this main bedroom. This is a super king size bed sat here, so that will certainly give you an idea of the space you've got in here. And obviously that front view, again, very pleasant. And then if I just spin round, point in this direction, you'll see we've got a refitted ensuite shower WC, very nicely finished. There's the shower cubicle there. Nice tile surround as well, with a load of WC. And then again, a wash basin here with vanity covered under as well. And a window. So whilst there is an extractor fan, I'm just going to point upwards. There you go, there's an extractor fan. You've also got the window in the ensuite as well. Okay, so that's bedroom 1 with ensuite. Let's now move along the landing here. Let's show you bedroom 2. So bedroom 2 does have a double bed in situ, so it does show that double bed sits in very comfortably, but also would point out there we've got built-in double wardrobe, good size wardrobe there. And then more space for furniture here, and a rear aspect window. Again, I'm going to point out, because it's always important, the view that we have into the rear garden. As you can see on the left hand side, we've got a covered patio. I'll show you the garden, as I said, at the end of the tour. So this is bedroom 2. Across the landing we've got bedroom 3. Again, as you can see straight away, double bed in situ, so it's a good sized room. There's a rear aspect window with a radiator underneath. We've got eave storage space just under there. And and a real life tiger. and then that's bedroom 3. So now we've got bedroom 4. So this is the one at the end of the landing here. Now with this particular design, the Victoria design, bedroom 4 is actually quite a good size. Very often bedroom 4 is a box room, but this is not a box room at all. This is a decent sized room, as you can see when you look at all the furniture that's in here. And a front aspect window with a radiator beneath. So that's 4 bedrooms, an ensuite, and it just remains the family bathroom, which again has been refitted. Very nicely finished. Quite a funky heated towel rail radiator there at the end. So we've got a panelled bath, as you can see. Wash basin again with vanity cupboard under. The low level WC is there. And I'm just going to step in the room, turn round over the bath and just point out that we've got shower fitted there as well over the bath with this glass shower screen. So very nicely tiled, fully tiled actually, and the window again. So nice bathroom, nice ensuite, and the 4 bedrooms. So let's make our way downstairs and let's show you the garden. Now whilst I've been actually walking around, there was a couple of questions that have come in. One of them is asking about the school catchment. This is for secondary. We are within the Waingels College catchment, which is always a good thing to say because Waingels is very popular. And also it's just asking about the nature reserve, but then mentioning the park. Now you must be talking about Ashenbury Park. So basically, just to explain, on the edge of Lindberg Way, you've got Aldermore's Nature Reserve, and Ashenbury Park is literally the other side of the Nature Reserve, so the park is very close by as well. So, on to the garden. Right, first of all, this deck patio. I'm going to point upwards to show you that it's covered. So it's a really nice entertaining area. And then let's just start to the right hand side here, because there's a side access. Show you the side access. There's the gate leading to the front garden. As you can see, all very neat and tidy, very well presented, good fencing, and then to the garden itself. Lots going on here, so it's landscaped and very private. There's a circular patio area in the middle there. You've got the garden shed. And I'm just going to step to the end and point at the back of the house so that you've got an idea of just what the house looks like from the rear. That's the rear. You can see the covered deck patio there. Outside lighting, water tap. So all in all, a very, very smart house. And in Lindberg Way, which, as I said earlier, considered to be the best road on the Airfield for property. This particular one, it's not just a lovely house, it's a beautiful garden as well. So there you go, that is this property. Thanks for those couple of questions. If you'd like to know more information, do call the number on the website. Ask to speak to Gary, I can answer. Apart from that, any further viewing requests, then please do give us a call, same number, and we'll book your viewing. Just remains to say thank you for watching.